Hi, dobar dan.
What a nice,
Ja sam dobro.
peaceful place. Hello, my friend. How are you?
I am good.
What a lovely place you have here. It's beautiful.
Nego prvo vi recite što želite popiti.
Oh, a nice coffee,
Yeah, a coffee.
please.
Coffee.
Two espresso.
A nice,
Si.
a nice espresso, because too many people. Are you local from
Yes,
here?
I'm local.
How many people in this piazza, man?
Too much.
It's too much.
Thank you. Oh, this is nice.
I really like the way everything is nice and quiet in here, and there is nobody rushes. I don't want to end up in one of those crappy coffee thing. You know, you get a cup of coffee like that with milk, and that's rubbish. I want the proper traditional coffee. I have to say, the coffee, it tastes really, really good, yeah?
Oh, it's good.
Have you got some leftover coffee, please?
Yes.
You know that I'm all about sustainability. I can make a coffee liqueur with leftover coffee.
Are
We
you
can
not
take it to
taking
the-
this conscientious, this green travelers a bit too far?
No, I'll show you how to do it because this is very good. You get the coffee, instead of throwing away. Luci's waste coffee grains are still packed with flavor and can make a great coffee liqueur for a cheeky tipple. It's the same ratio sugar with coffee.
It's too much sugar.
No,
Listen to the master.
listen, I'm the master of this cocktail. Okay, a nice vodka, not too much. It needs to marinate for a couple of hours. Luci, thank you. Let's go.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming.
Ciao,
Adios.
bello.
Ciao.
Ciao. See you later.
Ciao.